Hi there, students. Are you conversant with the word conversant? It's an adjective. To be conversant with something. You could also have the adjective versant, but that's probably same meaning, just a little bit more formal. Okay, so to be conversant with something, to be familiar with it, to have knowledge about it, to have experience, to know how it works. So, are you conversant with the game Go? Yeah, do you know about it? Are you familiar with it? Are you conversant with it? Or you could say, slightly more formally, same meaning, are you versant with the game Go? Okay, so to be conversant with something, to be knowledgeable about it because you've got experience or you've studied it. So are you conversant with British history? Yeah, are you familiar because you've studied it or because you know it? Yeah, conversant with something. Yeah, so I'm not conversant with the basic scientific principles of how this works. I'm not acquainted with it. I'm not versed in it. Yeah, so it took me a while to become conversant with the workings of this company. Yeah, okay, so to be conversant with something, to be close, to have frequent interaction with it. Yeah, to be familiar because you've studied it, to be well informed about it. I think the idea of this is conversant, as in conversation. If you have frequent conversations with somebody, you're conversant with this person, you're conversant with their character. Okay, so we need a worker who is conversant with this new technology who is au fait with, A-U-F-A-I-T, French with, yeah, who is acquainted with this, who is no stranger to, who feels at home with, yeah. So in this modern world you need to be conversant with the new technologies. Are you conversant with this computer program? Do you know it? Yeah? Are you versant with it? Let's go to versant for a second. Okay, you could use it as an adjective meaning conversant with, but a versant as a noun, this is an unusual word though, or an unusual meaning. It's the slope of a range of mountains, or the slope of a mountain. So the northern versant of the Himalayas points towards China, and the southern versant points towards India. Okay, so the versant of a range of mountains, the direction it points. This is rare. I'm going to give that probably a 8 in formality, old-fashioned. So put that in your collection. But versant, you need to be conversant with conversant. Yeah, to be conversant with. I'm conversant with this. I became conversant by working in this area for many years. Are you conversant with 19th century British poetry? Okay, so to be conversant with, yeah, it's something that you know a lot about. You could become conversant with something through experience. Yeah, you're familiar. You're able to deal with it because you know all about it. Yeah, it's something you've done before. Okay, so I'm conversant with the ins and outs of this. I'm well versed in it. I'm learned in it. I'm skilled, practiced, well informed, proficient at. Okay, so conversant, to be conversant with something. So formality, conversant. I think I'm probably going to give it, I think maybe a 6 in formality. I think just informally, do you know? Are you experienced in? Yeah? Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal as well. And then I think as to origin, okay, it comes from Old French, conversant, knowing about something, understanding about something, yeah, which I guess in itself comes from Latin, verso, yeah, to turn, yeah, to turn something. So I guess you turn it over and over, maybe in your mind. So conversant, to know something well. So having watched this video, you're now conversant with conversant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conversant with something.